Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Erickson from Regenerative Sleep and TMJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your SomnoMed Herbst Advanced appliance. This is the appliance that you may be wearing, and I'm going to show you how to clean it. If you're using the elastics on this appliance, the first thing we want to do is take the elastics off. So we're going to take them off here, and we're going to set them on the lid and just leave them there all day. Then you take a brush and you put this appliance under tap water and just brush it really clean. When you're done, put it in a cup with clean tap water and let it soak in the water all night, or all day, I'm sorry. A couple days a week, you can use some soap. So just put a couple drops of liquid soap on this appliance and brush it and get it all sudsy. Rinse it really well so it doesn't taste like soap, and then put it back into the clean water and let it soak all day. Occasionally, once a week or so, you may want to use Somtabs, which you can order online. Somtabs will help freshen up your appliance and keep it really clean. Every 1 to 2 weeks, you should use the Somtab. You dissolve the Somtab in water, place the appliance in, and leave it in there for 15 minutes. The instructions on how to use the Somtabs are in your instruction packet. Once again, this appliance should be kept wet when you're storing it. If you're bringing it into us for an adjustment, or if you're traveling like on a plane or anywhere really, you don't need to put water in here. The lid will leak. But in general, when you're at home, you want to store this in water. When you're ready to put it back on at night, we're going to replace the elastics. I'm going to show you how to do that. So if I can get the camera to zoom in a little bit. You take one of these very small elastics and you hook it around the screw that's towards the front of the appliance. And then there's a little tab right there that you hook the elastic on, okay? Do that to both sides, hook it around the screw, and put it on the tab. This takes a little bit of practice. It's important to remember though that if you don't like to use the elastics, you really don't need to wear them. Most of our patients feel like it helps them and they like to wear the elastics, and that's great. I put the ability to use elastics on every appliance. But if you don't like to use them, you don't have to use them. So that's how you keep your appliance clean. It's important that you do not use toothpaste on your appliance. Toothpaste contains abrasives, which can make small scratches in this, which will just harbor more bacteria. It's also important not to use mouthwash to soak your appliance in, and do not use an over-the-counter denture cleaner like Efferdent or Polydent to help clean your appliance. If you're not going to use the Somtabs, then just keep it as clean as possible, but don't use a substitute. It's very important. If you have any questions, just call our office.